Hi, my name is Dr. Nancy Guenthner, and I am the developmental optometrist at Aspire Vision Care in Round Rock. I work with children who have specific vision problems that can impact their ability to read, learn, comprehend, and even pay attention. These vision problems can have an array of symptoms, but the most common ones I see are that you may notice that your child is having trouble reading. For example, they may skip lines or lose their place. Oftentimes they have to reread just to comprehend. And when writing, they may reverse letters or words, like was for saw or B's and D's. And of course, there's the homework war, where 20 minutes of homework can just end up taking hours. Some children may actually have none of these symptoms because they avoid reading altogether. Unfortunately, these vision problems are typically missed during the vision screenings at school or at the pediatrician. This is why I recommend comprehensive eye exams for all children. And if you have learning related concerns for your child, make sure you seek out an eye care doctor that can feel comfortable examining children and bring up your concerns during the exam. The good news is that these problems are treatable. Sometimes all they need is a pair of glasses. But for many of the children with the symptoms that I just described, it is more complicated than just a pair of glasses. The most common issue I see is an eye teaming problem. Let me show you what I mean. So when we go to read, our eyes have to turn inward. But for some kids, it's really hard for them to turn their eyes in and to keep them turned in. So they may catch a couple words, but then the whole thing just kind of falls apart. But they have to get their reading assignment done, so they get those eyes back together again, and maybe now they've skipped a word or two, and then the whole thing just falls apart again. But mom and dad are making them finish their reading assignment, so they get those eyes back together. And for some of these kids, it can be really painful and cause headaches or eye strain. And by the time they get to the end of the line, they can't remember anything they just read. And these underlying vision-related learning problems, they can be treated, and they can be treated through an individually designed and goal-oriented program of care that typically involves therapeutic activities performed in the office with a trained vision therapist, along with support activities performed at home. The end result of treating these vision problems can be life-changing and can help your child see the world in a brand new way. To learn more about these learning-related vision problems, I encourage you to attend one of my free workshops. I promise you will learn a lot. You can visit my website, aspirevisioncare.com, or follow us on social media for the date and time of my next upcoming workshop. Thanks for watching.